Can you see me? Okay. Let's put my glasses here as well. And then put this here for now. Okay, so
10 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
ah, don't crush it to me though. Guys, my jaw is finally off the floor after it has finally sank in that my husband really decided to go buy me a drone while I was away in South Africa. Like, I should travel away from home more often because I guess the saying absence makes the heart grow fonder really works magic. So this is me officially introducing you to my new baby, Mozzie. Mozzie because the DJI Neo is small and to me it sounds like the buzzing of an annoying mosquito that I want to smash but I can't. I've been using my free time to start learning how to fly Mozzie and get the hang of it. And as a first time drone user, I think the DJI Neo is so far pretty user friendly. It's straightforward and there's already so many tutorials online that you can use to practice. I love that you can use your cell phone to fly it or control it using the RC, but my favorite feature is the 6 automated options that you have, and you can use it without your cell phone or the RC controller. So it can do things like take a 360 video of you, do a boomerang, or fly overhead above you, and it will return straight back to your palm. So Mozzie isn't waterproof, and because of that I get really nervous when I fly her above water bodies. So I really like that there is a return to home feature that you can press at any time during your flights and she will return back to the original position from where she took off. So yeah, that's pretty comforting. Hi Bo. So it was during this time when we were flying the drone together with my husband that I actually realized that this guy probably bought this drone more for himself because why is he having so much fun? Yeah, I'm just kidding, but yeah, my husband also enjoys flying the drone. It's like he's a kid playing a video game, I guess, because of the RC controller. So it's fun for everyone in the family to try out, and it can even be a date night activity. So the only downside I'm experiencing with Mozzie is that the girl is lazy. And what I mean by this is that she has a low battery life. So the combo pack that we got comes with 3 batteries and you can recharge them, but they only last 18 minutes each. and so you've got about 54 minutes flight time. And from what I'm seeing, I think the flight time can be decreased if like the wind is particularly strong. So yeah, I might be wrong about that, but that's the feeling that I get, or what I've been seeing so far. And so if you're gonna take content or footage, you really need to study your area first, obviously, and like have an understanding of what angles you want to capture, and then when you're ready, like start capturing and whatever not. Because if you just dilly-dally, you're gonna be surprised an hour has passed and you still haven't gotten the content that you want or something like that. So plan wisely. But I love that the 6 automated features kind of compensate for that, because you don't need your cell phone, and you can just easily select which mode you want to capture on, and you will get your footage relatively quickly.
No, what are you doing? Don't make it come to me. Oh my gosh.
So, something that I've been really excited to experience during the Icelandic summer is actually taking photos and content in this beautiful lupine field. Although they are very beautiful and picturesque, lupines are actually invasive plants that were introduced into Iceland around 1945 to combat soil erosion. So, lupines are really beautiful, and they did do the intended job of stabilizing the volcanic soil. But over time, because they spread so quickly, they ended up choking the native vegetation, such as the Icelandic moss and wildflowers, which are pretty sensitive. So, although you can see them in a lot of places around the country, they can be problematic. I was really happy when I found this lupine field. It was quite big and it had a view of the ocean, which I was happy about. I had a little like challenge every time the drone would crash and stuff like that, but anyway, we learn. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. It was so much fun. I got to check off my bucket list activity of taking lupine content. So, this brings me to the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna leave and love you with this little time lapse of the midnight sun or the nighttime hours during summer. Enjoy!